Good morning, students. I am Dr. Nitish Kumar Mishra, Assistant Professor of English, Nagarjun Umesh Sanskrit College, Taroni. Today, I discuss about tense, and this class is for Shastri first part. Okay? Do you know what is difference between time and tense? Tense is a grammatical word, but time is not a grammatical word. Tense is a grammatical word and time is not a grammatical word. Everyone knows about time, but who know about language, who study about language is interested to know about tense. But time is for everyone. Okay? So enjoy with me in the class of tense. Okay? Tense. Shastri third part. What is tense? Tense comes from Latin word tempus. Tense comes from Latin word tempus, that means kind or sort. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. Tense is the study of the forms of verb. Always remember, tense is the study of the forms of verb. So, the tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. Okay? Tense. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Future tense. Present tense, past tense, future tense. A verb that refers to the present time is said to be in present tense, as Ram eats, Sita plays, I write. A verb that refers to the past time is said to be in past tense, as Ram ate, Sita played, I wrote. Okay? The difference of tense. Present tense. A verb that refers to be the present time, then it is present tense. A verb that refers to the past time is known as past tense. Okay, a verb that refers to the future time is said to be in future tense, as Ram will eat, Sita will play, I shall write. Present tense, past tense and future tense. Three kinds of tense. Okay, present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense, a verb that refers to the present time is said to be in present tense. That means here verb is in present time. In present tense, a verb is in present time, but in past tense, a verb is in past time. In so on future tense, a verb shows the future time, as here you see the form of verb eat. Here eat. It's, have you remember the forms of verb V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. There are 5 forms of verb. V1 present tense, V2 past tense, V3 perfect tense, V4 continuous tense, and V5 especially simple present tense. Okay, so we use in present tense the form of present, Ram eats, and V2 use in past tense, Ram ate. Future, shall and we, the denoter of future. Now today I discuss about present tense, especially in present tense. Okay, present tense. Simple present tense. Present continuous tense. Present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. In Old English grammar, you know in different names, as simple present tense is known as present indefinite tense. Simple present tense is known as present indefinite tense. Present continuous tense is known as present imperfect tense, and present perfect tense is the same name, present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense is also known as the same name, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Present, we use V5 verb, the forms of verb, fifth form, V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Simple present In simple present we use V5, V4 in present continuous tense, V3 in present perfect tense, and we use V4 in present perfect continuous tense. Okay, in detail we discuss in next class. Okay, bye bye. If you have any problem then ask me. Okay.